thunderstorm warning for Ellis County in north-central Texas, southwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ovilla, or near Glen Heights, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Prairie, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Ovilla, Palmer, Oak Leaf, Bardwell, Alma, Bardwell Lake, Garrett, Pecan Hill, Avalon, and Rocket. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 393 and 416. Interstate 20 between mile markers 463 and 465. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 262. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.